is that? Yep, there's no radius. It used to be glass. Now it's not for some reason. So that's something I want to share with you all. When we go down and we go back up, I want y'all to listen carefully to the motor and tell me, any of you notice anything off about it or not? All right, here we go. Big bump. Why isn't this thing glass anymore? That's what I'm always wondering. And for those of you that are interested in this, oh, that's who it's maintained by. Centric Elevator Corporation of Hawaii. That's their phone number right there. It says no, it's an O Series 1. All right, now we're going to listen to the motor really carefully. There we go. So what did y'all think of that? Let me know in the comments below. All right, that's it.